Welcome back to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be going over the cigarette survival kit. This is just built out of a Newport pack, a Newport Hunters pack. And yeah, it's pretty much a kit you can have in your truck, in your quad, under the seat, anywhere with you really, in your backpack. It's a basic survival kit. I just want to reuse the box. Jesus. First off, you have your cellophane on the exterior, so you can use that to seal something up if you really wanted to. Bag something up or collect some kind of water. Here, we have a water-activated towelette. This can be used for hygiene, first aid, water, filtration, which is the main point of this one, is water filtration. Here we have our water containment bag, our water storage bag, just a little bit of duct tape or electrical tape at the top just to keep it all nice and packed. As you can see, we still have a lot more in there. Here we have tinder, which is 2 cotton balls tied up with the trash bag ties. Next, we have an emergency whistle. This is a basic stainless steel one. For navigation, we have a button compass. Always make sure your button compasses work. Since this is project kit, this compass does not work, as you can tell. That's why you always check yours, because this is one of the nicer button compasses I have, and it does not work as intended. Any way, shape, or form. That is east, west. Here for cutting, we just have a nice scalpel blade, razor blade type thing, something you find in a sewing kit. Very sharp blade. We have a nice signal mirror here. And for your cordage, went ahead and thrown this bank line, kind of fishing line kind of little stuff. Doesn't take up much room, but it is strong. You can hold up some weight. Next up, we just have some basic book matches. And then finally, but not least, we have our fishing kit, my bad. It's all line got excited. Here we just have our line around a little reel here. And we have our sinkers, our hooks, our leads, little snap-ons. And that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. What would you guys do differently in the comments? I always love hearing from you guys. And again, just want to let you guys know that the Discord's launched and we're trying to get it going. So if you guys would love to join it, the link is down in the bio. And any input is greatly appreciated. Like I said, we're trying to get it going and trying to get it built for people like us and people in our community. So I need a couple of you guys to help me do that. Have a nice day and thank you guys for watching.